Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to navigate the world of finance and investing, manipulation techniques and how to combat them. Understanding these tactics can empower you to make informed decisions and protect your hard-earned money. In the financial landscape, manipulation can take many forms. From misleading information to market manipulation, it's essential to recognize these tactics to safeguard your investments. One common technique is the spread of false information, often designed to create panic or excitement around a particular stock. This can lead to hasty decisions that may not align with your financial goals. Always verify the sources of information before acting on it. A little research can go a long way in ensuring you're not swayed by rumors. Another manipulation technique is pump and dump schemes, where the price of a stock is artificially inflated to attract unsuspecting investors, only for the manipulators to sell off their shares at a profit, leaving others with losses. To combat this, focus on long-term investments and conduct thorough due diligence. Look for companies with solid fundamentals and a proven track record rather than chasing after the latest trends. Emotional trading is another pitfall. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement of a market rally or the fear during a downturn. To combat this, establish a clear investment strategy and stick to it. Set specific goals and remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Keeping your emotions in check can help you make rational decisions that align with your financial objectives. Lastly, be wary of high-pressure sales tactics. If someone is pushing you to invest quickly without giving you time to think, take a step back. A responsible investment should never feel rushed. Always take the time to evaluate your options and consult with trusted financial advisors if needed. By being aware of these manipulation techniques and employing strategies to combat them, you can navigate the financial world with confidence. Remember, knowledge is your best defense. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing for more insights into finance and investing. Together, we can build a community that empowers each other to make informed financial decisions. Until next time, take care and happy investing.